Solve the system. All right, so let's start this problem by trying to use the steps listed here above. We're going to take equation 1 and equation 2 and write them down. And we'll think about how we could eliminate x by multiplying either the first equation or the second equation by a constant and then adding the equations. Well, if I multiplied the first equation by -2, right? That should give me over here -2x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to -10. If I add that to 2x plus y plus z equals to 7, I will have a new equation that does not have x in it. So my x's cancel out. I end up with 3y minus 3z is equal to -3. All right, let's hang on to that and let's repeat the process, this time using equations 1 and equation 3. So we have x minus y plus 2z is equal to 5. And equation 3 says 3x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to 20. Let's multiply the first equation by -3, right? Because if I multiply the first equation by -3, that should allow me to eliminate x. Okay, so let's write the answer to this over here. So it'll be minus 3x plus 3y minus 6z is equal to -15. And to that we'll add equation 2, which is just 3x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to 20. So here the x's will cancel out. We'll end up with positive 1y, then minus 1z is equal to positive 5. All right, so here we have a second equation. Now we should take these two equations and use them in order to eliminate y. Let's write those down. We'll have 3y minus 3z is equal to -3. And then we'll have y minus z is equal to 5. And if we multiply by -3 here, we'll get the following result. You'll have 3y minus 3z is equal to -3 for the first equation. For the second equation, you'll have minus 3y plus 3z is equal to -15. And when we do that, you'll see that the 3 and -3 cancel out. The 3 and -3 cancel out the z, so we lost our variable, so we have 0 is equal to -18. But that's not true, right? That's a false statement. Whenever this happens, you're going to say the system is inconsistent. So say the system, and that's it. We can't continue on with the process because we've come to a conclusion that's false here, right? 0 does not equal to -18, so the system is inconsistent. It means that we cannot go any further in the solving process.